Hello, it's Monday, July the 5th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against most of the major currencies after the NFP report showed worse than expected data, with job losses at minus 125,000 versus the expected 100,000. However, the unemployment rate came out 9.5% better than the expected 9.8%. Stocks in the US fell, with Nasdaq and Dow Jones falling by minus 0.46% and 0.47% respectively. Crude fell for a fifth day in a row, hardly managing to close at $72.20 a barrel. Gold recovered a little from its previous losses to close at $1,211 an ounce. Today, US banks will be closed in observance of Independence Day, and low liquidity might lead to irregular volatility in the market. The euro rose further against the dollar after the release of the US unemployment report, hitting a 6-week high and extending its rally. The unemployment rate came out 10% better than the expected 10.1%. The PPI came out unchanged at 0.3% as expected. Trading above the support level of 124.70 keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 124.80 and a high of 122.60. Today, retail sales are expected at minus 0.1% versus minus 1.5% previously. Before the publication of the US NFP data, sterling had reached an 8-week fresh high at 1.5228, but fell below the 152 zone. Also, construction PMI came out at 58.4, worse than expected 58.6. Trading above the support level of 151.20 keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 151.48 and a high of 152.28. Today's service PMI is expected at 55.2 versus 55.4 previously. The dollar recovered versus the yen after the release of the NFP data, attempting to rise back above the 88 zone. Breaching the 87.8 level will create a positive momentum for this pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 87.31 and a high of 88.20. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the US dollar rose versus the Canada's dollar as investors took note of contradictory figures in the US labor sector, where despite the loss of jobs, the overall decrease in the unemployment rate added upside momentum to the pair. Trading above the support at 105.30 keeps the momentum positive. The dollar CAD traded with a low of 105.54 and a high of 106.66. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.